Liberty, and welcome to another Wylock video. Today is, well, it is time to do lesson 8, circles and pi. So, find the circumference when either radius or when either the radius of the, well, this should be or diameter is given. So let's start with number 1. So there's a radius of 6.2. So what is circumference? Well, the formula for circumference, well, first, circumference is basically the perimeter of the circle. And the formula for this is 2 pi r. So, what is pi? Pi is, what is that? Well, pi is equal to 22 over 7, right? But since we're using decimals here, 22 over 7 isn't really going to work. So we're just going to use pi is equal to 3.14. The reason why we're using this is just a placeholder. 22 over 7, or 22 divided by 7, is an infinite number that lasts forever. Well, the first 3 digits of it are 3.14. So let's start with number 1. So 2 pi r. Well, we know the radius, r, which is this line over here, is 6.2. So this will be 2 times 6.2 times 3.14. So 2 times 6.2 is 12.4 times 3.14. You multiply that, 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4, 2, 1. 4 times 3 is 12, 6, 7, 3, 6, 13, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 3. And then decimal, so you get 38.936. So you're 38.93. Well, this rounds to, we're going to round to 2 decimal places, so the answer for this would be 38.94. And then don't forget units is meters. Alright, number 4. This one's same concept, but instead of radius, we have diameter. Well, diameter is just this full line, while radius is just half of a line. So, our radius is just going to be the diameter divided by 2. So, 7.5 divided by 2 is equal to 3615. 7, 14, 1. So it's 3.75. So this is just going to be 2 times 3.75 times 3.14. And as we know, 2 times 3.75 is just 7.5 divided by 2, or 3.75 times 2, which is the same as what we did here. So basically 2 pi r is basically the radius, which is the diameter is basically what we use in this equation. But we just go with 2 times the radius. So the diameter is 7, so it'll just be 7.5 times 3.14. So we're going to multiply this out. 5, 6, 7, 15, 28, 9, 21. So this is going to be, 0, 15, 15, 2, 3, 2, then decimals, 1, 2, 3. So your answer for this would be 23.55 yards. Let's move on to the next one, where we're going to find the area of the circle when either the radius or diameter is given. So, again, we'll do number 1. So, the formula for the area of the circle is pi r squared. So we all remember exponents, right? It's just the number times the number. That's it for squared. So we're going to start with 1.7 times 1.7, so that's r squared. 9, 4, 7 times 1 is 7. This will be 27, 11. Then 7, 1, 9, 8, 2. So you get 2.89. And then 2.89 times 3.14. 9 times 4, 36. 8 times 4, 32. 35. 4 times 2 is 8. 9, 10, 11. This will be 9, 8, 2. This would be 27. 4 times 26. 6, 7, 8. Then you add them up. 6, 14, 17, 10, 9. Then 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer for this should be 9.07. And then yards. Alright. And then we'll do number 2 as well. The diameter of 4. So that means the radius would be 2, since we're cutting this in half. And if this is 4 in total, then half of it would be 2. So this is just going to be pi r squared. 2 times 2 is 4, which really works out here. So 3.14 times 4, 16, 4, 5, 12, then 2 decimal places. Your answer for this would be 12.56 inches squared. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, since this is basically area, remember it's going to be squared. So yards squared, inches squared. Alright, so move on to this one. You're going to calculate the diameter, radius, / area when circumference is given. Well, let's do number 3. I feel like 3 would be actually no, I don't really like 7. We'll do number 1. Calculate the area. This one's the hardest one. So we're trying to see the area and we're given the circumference. So we know the outside is 8.5 meters. So what is the formula for circumference? It's 2, and then pi, and then r, which is our variable, is equal to 8.5. So multiply this. This is 6.28 times x is equal to 8.5. Right? And then divide 6.28. And then once you get that, you're going to get a really ugly number. So what I'm going to want you guys to do is pull out your guys' calculators and just do this. Do 8.50 divided by 6.28. Then you should get like something that rounds to x is equal to 1.35. So that is our radius. Is 1.35. And using that, we could calculate for area. So just 2 or pi r squared. Let's do 1.35 times 1.35. 25, 15, 16, 17. 6, 15. 10, 4, 5, 3, 1, 5, 12, 7, 12, 4, 7, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to multiply this value times pi, which is 3.14. Get 20, 8, 9, 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 32, 4, 7, then 5, 2, 2, 8, 1, then 15, 6, 7, 6, 24, and then 5. Then you add these up to 9, 10, 11, 16, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 18, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 22, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal. So once you do all that, we're going to round this. So this rounds to 5.75 meters squared. Or 4.72. Alright, And finally, we're going to do a word problem, just a quick one. Number 1, for each 2 roses in a bouquet, the florist arranges 3 tulips. Total number of roses and tulips in all bouquets is 240. How many tulips are there? So that means 3/5 of the flowers in the bouquet are tulips, times a total of 240. Simplify that. 240 divided by 5, that would give you 48. And then 48 times 3 will give you 144. So the correct answer is B. Well, that wraps it up for today, boys and girls. Have a good day.